We are well versed in all aspects of boiler and steam system installations, boiler repair, combustion tuning, control upgrades, as well as boiler service and maintenance. With over 60 years in servicing industrial and commercial boilers and burner systems, WARE partners with industry-leading manufacturers. Not all service is equal, and at WARE, because we own one of the largest fleet of mobile boilers, our technicians are the most experienced, best trained, and have access to the most reliable and efficient products in the industry. We know maintenance can be costly, and we have solutions to improve your reliability and save you money. Unlike others who may try to sell you on a theory, we use the actual process and equipment in our boiler fleet, ensuring our solutions are proven. Whether it's tuning a burner to help save you fuel, energy retrofits, or investigating your whole steam system to find loss, WARE will find the best possible solutions to meet your needs. Call WARE today and let us serve you.